is needlepointers.com. My guest bedroom's winter blanket was really old and thread worn, so I decided to make this handmade crocheted blanket to replace it. Continue watching this video to learn how to crochet this blanket. At the store, I discovered blanket yarn. Oh my goodness! It is a super bulky and soft yarn. This cozy chenille style yarn would be incredibly warm and is exactly the product I wanted to make a comfy blanket for my guest bedroom. Next was to begin crocheting. I wanted a simple pattern. To get a copy of my free pattern, click the iCard or the link in the description below. The pattern is for a double-sized bed, but it can be easily revised to accommodate any size bed or even a baby blanket by increasing or decreasing the number of foundation chains. To make this project, you will need a size 15 crochet hook. First, chain your foundation chains plus 3 stitches. We will be making half double crochets for this project. From the third chain from the hook, we will make our first half double crochet. Yarn over, insert it into the chain, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, and pull it through all the stitches. Now, these chain threes that were the last three that you had chained, that is considered one half double crochet. So right now on the hook I have 1, 2. Now let me show you how to do a half double crochet again. Yarn over, insert it in the foundation chain, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, and there are 3 loops on the hook. Pull it through all 3 loops. Now continue till the end of the foundation chains, making half double crochets in each. When you get to the end of the row, chain 2 and then turn your work. We're now ready to start the second row. And what we are going to do is we are going to do half double crochets again, but only in the back loop. Now here is the double crochet, and what we're going to be doing it is into just that back loop. So yarn over, insert it in the back loop, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, and pull it through all of them. Okay? You do that all the way across the row, and for each row thereafter. In the back loop, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through all the loops. Now I want to show you though how I do it when I get to the last chain 3 that we had done at the end of the row, okay? To show you how I do that. I don't actually go in just the back loop, but I go under both the loops. So let me show you that, okay? I am almost at the end of the row. I'm going to have one more stitch, so I'll do a half double crochet in the back loop. And now this is the chain, and I'm going to go in both the loops on the chain, not just the back loop. This will help to make the side more even as you're going along. Repeat this row over and over until you have the blanket the desired length. As you can see, I have been working on my blanket. I have quite a bit done already. but I thought that it would be important for me to show you how to add the next skein of yarn when you're finished with one. This is what I do when I'm working with the blanket yarn. I start by making a half double crochet, yarn over, insert it in, yarn over, pull it through, and I have 3 loops on the hook. I then take the end of the new skein, put it on the hook, and draw it through all 3 of those loops. Then on the back, all I do is just tie it, not in a knot, just tie it one time. And these ends will be worked in or woven in later on. And then I just continue making my half double crochets. After you finish the blanket, or as you're going along, you need to weave in these yarn ends. So what you do is you put them onto a tapestry needle, but I have a little quick tip in case you have trouble putting the yarn through the eye of the needle. All you have to do is cut yourself a piece of paper that is large enough to go into the eye, fold it in half, then insert the end of the yarn between the paper, insert the paper into the eye of the needle, and it's threaded. Now, what you're going to do with these ends is you're going to weave them into your project. So all you have to do is just weave them along in between stitches similar to this, pull it through, and then just cut it off right there where at the end, and you won't even notice it that those ends are woven in there. Again, just weave them through, pull it, and then cut it. And as you can see, it's right here. You can't even tell that I wove those in. I have finished the blanket, and I am delighted with the way it looks on my bed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and share with friends. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. To follow us, just click the website iCard or the link in the description below. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of crochet tutorials and free projects.